Hello friends, here myself. So guys, in this video, we will do PPT after 2 months. So get ready. I created a presentation. The video will be too short. No. So I will tell you how to. We will repeat some things. So this is how to write. Double tap. And now, if you write something wrong, so your PPT is so long, so if you can't write, can't find the letter like letter. Okay, so here do you want to write letter? By mistake you write letter. So what can you do is you are not finding, for example. So you can write letter. Letter. So it shows where it is, and you can. This is new one is. Okay, now what we have to do is how to do preview. So preview is this. We will insert a preview of this. Try it out for. Then come to Rainpad how to share it. If you want to share it with others, what can you do it? What can you do it is I want to save to save to drive, save, and see it's uploaded, and thank you. And now next is how to save it. So save to drive, but save it is my autosave is on, but if your autosave is off, so please on it, then it will not be saved, and your hard work will be not, your hard work will be not remain, and it will get deleted. So thanks for watching. I know this video will be very short and only some of the new things you will learn. So new comment, I think so. I have learned what is comment. Hi, now I know. Okay, so please comment on, not on this but my video. Please like and subscribe, and if you like the video, please like, and thanks for watching. Bye. Mm-hmm.